freshman. College, yeah. Here's the deal. You guys should know something. When we met playing open mics and just trying to get into the music scene of Ann Arbor, we were both hip to an artist that kind of changed the course of our musical lives. And it's an amazing Norwegian singer-songwriter by the name of Charlene Kaye, who is here tonight! So it's an absolute dream come true for me and Charlene, so we have to sing the song whether he likes it or not. But we'll share with you, if you've never heard of him, Charlene Kaye basically formed every bit of songwriting that I ever sought out to do, and sing with Charlene.
Oh, I covered so many songs in college.
So thank you, Sandra, we love you.
Thank you so much. Might I add that my drummer Dave Hamlin also plays drums in Strawberry, which is very serendipitous and awesome. But yeah, this is really exciting for us because we played this at open mics in Ann Arbor, and really that's all we ever wanted to do with our lives.
I'm terrified of getting the words wrong because I was here.
It's really tough to play.
Check him out, this song's called Modern Nature.